Good afternoon. Lots to do. Lots and lots and lots and lots to do, but I have priorities. I have priorities, and one of them is well, I want to find out where the border is for one. Right here. Okay. We want to It's actually easier to see the lines on the tile when you've got it not so bright. I think that's all we need. May as well make this one while I'm here, even though it's not really what I'm planning on doing today. What I plan on doing today is the solution to that uranium node that's way up there. The solution is drones. Thought about it today while I was at work, and the best solution for that is going to be drones. How will it get powered though, you ask? Well, that's what we're doing right now. Essentially, I'm going to combine two objectives into the one objective. One of them is to get power to the nuclear node with the train. The other one is to make a small start on some of the infrastructure for the train network. Bearing in mind that the train network for the nuclear setup is going to be completely independent to any other system. It's not going to have any other trains on it, for obvious reasons. I haven't really planned out like exactly what I'm going to do with... Oh, I've done all my signals wrong. Oops. Better go fix that up. Good thing I noticed that. Oops. I think I did these signals wrong. No, I didn't. I'm just tripping out. I'm in there. Come out here. Cool. There he is. Temp. Let me just think about something here for a second. Right on the world border there. And they cut our world border off here in the corner, but that's still plenty of room. I wonder if I... just want to get a straight line here and see if... yeah, we might just come off here. Okay. Hello Brent, how do people survive without radio towers? My buddy and I play on my server hates them because of the map clutter. I cannot imagine existing without them. Well, they are handy, that's for sure, especially if you're doing a vanilla playthrough. That is for sure. I am just currently trying to work out exactly how I'm going to get this train thing, but I think I'm spending too much time thinking about it. Because it's just going to be a... Is this slightly underwater as well? Oh, it is. Wow, is there actually water mechanics? Does the water come up here? Is there actually water like just coming up the edge of this only? That's crazy. Alright. I don't mind that it's... Why is that? It looks weird. Is it getting deeper? Surely not. That's the strangest thing. The water going over that concrete is crazy. Alright. Let's get it done. We need our station and room to curve around. If we need to. So 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't want to run right next to it, so maybe go 2 off. One, 2, 3, yeah. Alright. All shall be revealed. Eventually. The reason this train station's going in here is literally to give myself some power. What is that called? AXN Province. TGV. Okay, now we want to come down here. We'll go right there. And we'll come across to here. And we'll go to here. And just hook it up. That is what that is. And there's a reason they're not connected. I just want power on this train line for the time being. And this can be start of my train network, basically. Does anyone know if there is a mod to like what mod are people using instead of smart mod and area actions right now? Because smart mod and area actions are not working, right? Smart mod not working. This mod is broken by 1.0. We also have area actions, which is also not working in 1.0. I'm not sure which mod to use to build quicker. Platforms, that is. Make a blueprint 5x5. Yeah, but I don't want 5x5 at the moment. I just want train line. One train line all the way around. Because I'll eventually use this as part of my logistics setup. But for now, I just want a power source to my nuclear node. I don't really actually mind that this is like slightly in the water. Doesn't worry me at all. I mean, zooping's not the worst thing in the world. I just wish the animation was quicker so I could go quicker. So if I aim it there, yeah, okay. It's kind of trippy with the it coming over the water, or the water coming over it. I think I plan to use a lot more trucks in this. Like legitimately use trucks instead of... Last time I used trucks for like a fun thing to do with the nuclear waste. This time I won't use them for the nuclear waste. I'll probably use them in my actual... Let me just check if this is going to be okay here. We probably want to come out another 5 tiles or so. Yep. I don't want to have to blow up all this. I just have the train station here. Do a little thingy up the side here. And then I can build drone ports. The train is going to run past here. Because I dare say... Like, I'm going to end up having factories out here. It's just going to end up being the case. Why not just come out 10? Then there's heaps of room. So me getting this train line in is not a wasted time. I'll end up using it. The priority is nuclear power though. I had a little play around with a couple of the other nodes yesterday, and I came up with a pretty sweet solution for the one that's in that cave, and I'll show you in a second if you want. Essentially, I used the no distance limitation conveyor lift, and I just brought it straight up, and I made it look like a tunnel, like I built a I built the infrastructure and had power cable going down. But I actually had to get underneath the map to get the power cable through, which is vanilla because you can get under the map in vanilla. So unlike my last attempt at the Nexus on early access, I'm not going to have like a train sky network. I'll probably just have trains going around the world. Okay, so we're gonna make a tower here, but only like a small little tower going up here. Nothing humongous or anything like that. There's a lot of track to put in. Wish there was just an option to put down the default length track every time. Dang it, there's a long way to go. What I don't want to lose is that progress. Now, do I make the drone pickup just a little tiny bit of a feature up there? think we can afford to do that, right? Like, it's up on the highest point in the map. I feel like it's okay to make it a small little bit of a feature. Alright. Now I need a station. Doesn't really matter too much exactly where it is. So we'll just go... Here's good enough. Where's the middle of this thing? About there? We can add stations to it if and when we need to. More of a when than an if. But for now, its purpose will be served by bringing the power in. That'll do. Literally doesn't matter exactly where it is. Okay. Do I want to go... a double... We'll find out exactly where this lands in a second. That's pretty central, I feel. Now we do want to make it walled. So steel. I wonder if this is wide enough. It might not be. We can put some windows and fanciness on it later. But the main point is to have some sort of structure climbing up the side of this thing. We'll make it look good. Oh, we'll make it look... Let me just say, we'll make it look not terrible. But now I just got to get the bit in there and see to what extent I need. Oh, man. Gonna have to be this wide, isn't it? It's friggin' high, dude. Look how high it is. It's stupidly tall. All this to get power up here. But we'll kind of make a feature out of it when we get there. Was steel the wall the right choice? I think it will be when I decide to add a couple of windows and whatnot into it on the way up. Oh no. Is that rock gonna stick out? Guess we'll find out. Doesn't look like it. Oh, we're only coming out 2 though. Right. Oh no, is it going to stick out there? Ah, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. That tiny bit of rock ruined it for everyone. Is it gonna look okay though? Like with that tiny bit of rock creeping over into it? Well, that looks silly. That is the center of it though, pretty well. Options here. I have to bring it out one more tile, I think. Hide it using a design feature. Yeah, but what design feature? What do I do? The design feature I use is more wall. I'll come and design this thing later. Just want to get it in position. And it'll be fine. Make a half foundation every 5 tile-ishes up. I don't disagree with you that that would probably look good, but I'm really factoring in the amount of work that is required. Really trying not to focus on aesthetic stuff, even though, yes, I always end up getting carried away with that stuff. I don't disagree that that would look good. Do I want to do it, though, is the question. Should have just done a tower instead of this thing going into the actual thingy. But this I feel like I can make this look good with some like supports going into the mountain itself. I don't even know what you'd call this. Is it even a mountain? It's more like a rock feature or a spire, or I don't know what you even call it. What is going on here? What the heck? What was with that? Didn't load in. Why do some of these look funny? What? Why is it doing that? Probably just a graphical bug. I wonder if steel was the wrong choice for, like, graphics. We'll never know. Can I bring that in? No, I can't because it juts out again up the top there. Why did I do this? I'm already going to be fighting the object limit. This was a good idea until I realized it wasn't. Huh. Now, I need a quick AFK. Oh. Okay. So. Now. The question is, hello there, Mr. 123. Good afternoon. Do I do a circle up here to have my drones coming off? I think we can. I think we can. I really do. I really do. I really, really do. Okay. Now there is one thing that I'm not worried about it though, because this is going to be not connected and it's not even going to make its way up to the top here. Oh, yeah. A little bit disappointed in myself, actually. Do I need to... I think I need to... Not working today. It's 5:10 in the afternoon. Finish work. How you doing? I feel like I need to... And this is going to be... You're potentially going to think that this is silly. Because it is. It is silly. But... I have to do it. I've already made the decision. I've already made the decision that this needs to be 3 wide. Unfortunately, it means a bit of deleting and rebuilding. Not worried about that. I can do that. Not worried about it. So that's going to be 3 wide. It just is. It's just one of those things that happens every now and then. When you have an idea, that's going to be 3 wide. And then forgot about time zones. Yeah. That happens. I forget a lot of things. I'm not going to do this right this second because there is one thing I need to do with a little save and load here. Just get... Could delete them, I guess. Yeah, one thing that's been bothering me is how am I going to get this nuclear node? So once I've got that ticked off, I can rest easy. Now that is going to be 3 across. And that is just the way that is. Area actions is... Dude, I need area actions. They need to bring that shit in. This would be a no problemo with that. If I had an area actions. Just put a drone port up there. Yeah. Oh, you better believe I'm putting a drone port up there. That's the whole reason I brought this train station around here. Oh, you may think that this train station is here to grab the uranium. It's not. It's here to provide power. This tower that I'm building now is literally just to give a power line up there. Pretty silly, huh? Why did I build it so big, you ask? Well, I don't know. It just happened. Alright? It just happened this way. Because I just thought a little skinny tower would look silly going all the way up. A little bit of a beefy one built into the side of the mount, into the terrain. It's going to look a bit better. I hope. Especially like from a distance. I don't know. And there's going to be 4 drone ports up here, by the way. Maybe 1 drone port's enough for 300 per minute. Maybe 2 drone ports is enough for 300 per minute. But I ain't risking it. I can guarantee you that 4 is enough. Well, I can't actually. maybe 4 is not even enough. I don't know. But we'll probably test the throughput anyway now and work it out. I'm happy with 4 drones. I'll put some designs on the way up as well and make this not look so bland as well. But when you have 3, it's better to... 3 across is better because you have a central point to work with. Rather than 2 across. So I'm going to go ahead and... I'll probably work on this later too, make that look nicer. Four drone ports. So the thing is, right, even though I could technically bring it all the way down there and put it on the train, I'd have to make a train line that goes all the way up there to my nuclear plant because I've decided the nuclear fuel rods are going to get made pretty close to the center of the map. I'd still have to train it in, and I don't want to use the train lines I already have. They are reserved purely for the water trains. The water trains are their own train network that never gets touched by any other trains. And I'm going to try use a lot more trucks this time rather than trains, I think. Obviously, I'm still going to use trains, but I want to use a lot of trucks. I'm essentially going to be like just consuming the biomes one by one, making as much as I can in each biome, and then from there transferring from biome to biome those built up parts with trucks. And then when it gets really late game, or like late game items, I can transfer to using drones for that sort of stuff because the throughput becomes a lot less. Like as you get into like, I don't know, supercomputers and turbo motors, you don't need to be doing numbers like 600 per minute and stuff. You'll be doing like, I don't know what the math is on it, but you're not going to be making 600 supercomputers per minute. You'll be making like maybe 100 per minute, if that. So drones will suffice once we get into those sort of tier. I saw Big Beaver TV made a video. He's done his nuclear setup, I think. I haven't watched it yet. I just saw that it came up on my feed. Alright. So that is that. That. We want to get that kind of central. Happy with that. We can definitely... maybe come up a couple. And then I'll do a test. 10 is probably too many. 7. We might see what 6 looks like. Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit of a cheesy move here. For anyone that doesn't know how to build circles in Satisfactory Calculator, I'm about to show you how to do it. So, bring up the calculator, bring in your save file. We have our save file, which, by the way, I was always confused about why it looks like this up here, like a big rectangle of white. That is weird to me. Anyway, maybe because it's the highest part of the map. Click on our foundation, spawn around foundation. Now, if you do a plain circle, it'll fill the entire circle in. But we just want a hollow circle. And we wanted our... hit submit. We want our outer radius. So we said 7. 7. Inner radius. I'll also make that 7. So I'll just do a ring of 7 tiles wide. Looks fine so far. Download. Where are we? Let's just save it as that. Doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter what you save it as. And there you have it. We don't really need you here, Mr. Slug. The whole reason I made this 3 wide is now that it's in the center of this. Kind of wish I made this a little bit higher now, maybe? That is very elaborate for that one node. I know. I'm getting a little bit over the top here, but like I said, it is the highest part of the map. It's kind of going to be seen from everywhere, so Maybe I will just... What do you need for a drone port, by the way? 4 tiles. Thought I deleted that. Ah, it's gonna clip, isn't it? No one will ever know, though. Meant to clip. It's not clipping where it's important. Ah, god damn it. Can I live with it? Can I live with it? Cool. What? What? That can't be true. I did snap it to the world grid. What? Why didn't that snap to the world grid? Oh, maybe I misclicked it. Alright, now... some... Oh, do I poke them out the edges? Is that what we do? That looks silly. No, I can't really do that because this one's going to be here. Have them just over the edge like that, I guess. Why did they make it so these don't line up? Why did they go and do that? OCD-induced heart attack? Yeah. Well, I plan on cutting this low. That's going to line up with the... Yep. I know what we're talking about. I think. I'd rather have too many drone ports than not enough. So, what I want is... just temporarily put this here so I can am I making 252 nuclear power plants from 2,100 uranium? Just Alpha says. The answer to that question is I am using all of the uranium. Well, I am planning on using all the uranium. But I am actually making enough for 300 nuclear power plants because I will be using some summer sloops to achieve that. And that is what I plan on doing. It is going to be... what am I trying to say here? Vanilla achievable. Achievable in vanilla, so I won't be using any more summer sloops than what are actually in the map. And everything will be achievable without mods. The only mods I'm using are quality of life mods. Just trying to work out a way, because a splitter is only 3 ways. But if I go... I mean, I am definitely overcomplicating this right now, right this minute. I should just do it in a non-complicated way. Holy, bro, you're gonna go mad after this. I'm already mad, which is... works in my favor. Yeah, it's gonna be insane, dude. Like, it's an undertaking and a half. That is for sure. I mean, it is possible in vanilla, but I would not recommend it. There's a bloke called Big Beaver TV. He's just done it. Done the 2100 nuclear. I'm yet to watch that video. But I recommend him as well if you like people that are doing massive builds. Honestly, why am I making this more complicated than it needs to be? Like, totally overthinking where the splitters are and everything. I just gotta just put them down and just accept it, that that's where they're gonna be. Right? I'm like obsessing over trying to make it like a perfect, like, quad symmetrical square. When really, I don't need to do that. I just need to... Oh, okay, whoops. Wrong input. All I need to do is, just get it in. Without overthinking it. And it'll be symmetrical, just not quad symmetrical. If that's an actual word. We might just bring that down here. Like that. And that will be that. And that will be that. Oh, wrong one. Again. You actually got expired by my previous 252 without Summer Sloop. Yeah, so my previous attempt at the Nexus project, I made enough uranium nodes to run 252, but I chose to run 250 for two reasons. One of them being it's always good to overfeed your power plants, especially in early access. Feel like it's a little bit nicer now in 1.0. And the other reason is because 250 is a much easier number to lay out symmetrically. So I just had 5 rows of 50. 300 is what you see here. That is 300 nuclear plants. So, let us commence getting the power into this thingy. I think I'm just going to do it like this. One power pole. Go straight under here like this. Boom. This can go straight over here like this. Let's put it in the center. Boom. That's hidden. Oh, I need the power for my drone ports as well, don't I? If I make this a level 3 power pole, will it just go to them? Nice and easy. Look at that. Let's not overcomplicate things. That's that. The nuke circle looks epic. Thanks, dude. If you want me to go look at it closer, I can. If you haven't seen it yet. I'll probably head over there soon in a second anyway. Let me just save this game. I've noticed something about 1.0. I don't know if it's because I got mods running or something. So if I click this to put 3 power shards in it, lags for a bit. You see that lag? I always get paranoid it's going to crash the game. Alright, 300 per minute. We'll come sort these out later. Oh, actually, I could chuck drones on them now. I'll name them as well. Rotterdam, The Hague. Okay, let's just go... Uranium. Again, let's not complicate things. Let's just keep it simple. Uranium 1 is the north, then we'll go clockwise. 2. 3. And 4. Let's just keep it very simple for the time being. Now we will come back and add a bit of pizzazz, if you will, to this. think I might cut this about here. Let me just see if that works or not. Why would you ever zoop that up like that? Like what? Or do I even want to go like this? I look silly. No, we'll get rid of it completely. I think what we do is we just go... Where's our roofs? Metal roof. Just for now. Just because I can't think of anything better to do. For now. Zoop. Why won't it zoop upwards? Zoop up, stupid. Oh, there we go. Maybe I do go one more. Why am I spending so much time on this? So stupid. Let's just use asphalt. For the time being. Do I even want to go here like this? Or do I just want to hide it completely? We hide it completely, right? Okay, we delete this. We put this here. And then we put this here. And then... None of this will ever be seen. And I can just bring it down. What an effort just to get power up there for that one nuclear node. Totally worth it though. Totally worth being able to sleep at night knowing that I'm picking that up with drones. Alright, so now we want to delete this to get out of here. Double gonna go here. motherfucker. Now I could put this train station on the half tile to make it not have a diagonal connection, but I think that's going to be the least of my worries. Alright, we'll definitely come back and make this look better. Something as simple as like a beam up the side, not a beam, but like like something as simple as this can really, even just doing this will make it look not so silly. Either that or it will make it look even more silly. One of the two. I'm already worried about what am I going to do when this reaches the top. We'll work that out when we get there. Okay, now it looks like, you know, it looks like I definitely meant to put something there. Hey, it's actually got power as well. We're actually pulling out the, oh, look at that. That, just didn't realize that. Let's put a floor hole in so it doesn't look silly, alright? Okie dokie. We can definitely spice this up as well a bit later. The basic situation is there. So you could definitely do like where are we? You could definitely get this inverted ramp. Except make it a asphalt. Get the inverted ramp and go, oh, we don't want 4 meters, we want 2 meters. It's not. It's not gonna look good. It's gonna look silly, isn't it? But I would have. Anyway, I'll deal with this another time. Let's not get carried away with bullshit right this second. What, though, I think will look cool is if we went like this. Just made that hook in a bit like this. Didn't that look alright? Can I get it on that one? Did I get it on that one? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I think we need to go... I wonder if... this will be okay. Oh man, that sucks how you can't just put that on there. Oh, it's frustrating. You can't just snap these to those. Ah, it's super frustrating, dude. Just leave it like that for now. I wonder if I could, though... What does that look like? Will that look shitty going into it? Let's find out. I think it's gonna look shitty. What the fuck happened to there? Yeah, it looks terrible. Alright. It's time to leave that alone. This bit here... it doesn't actually look too bad just like that, honestly. I don't even think it looks that bad. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. It's fine. Alright. So... just delete that for the time being. We have part of a train network. all we need there for the time being. Because there's going to be a lot of work to be done to get this nuclear online. So, let us make the time like this. Let's make it like this. Look at the lighting change. It gets dark over here. Alright. So, this is going to be... I don't care about these trees anymore. I've actually decided that these trees are going to go. Or at least like 99% of these trees are going to go. Because... guess what's happening here? A massive ass factory is happening here. Huge, massive factory. I don't know, can these big ones go away now? They keep... yeah, see you later. You're blocking the view of my trains. So, check out this. What is this, you may ask? This is my normal nuclear node from right underneath the map. Spent a bit of time yesterday after I had a break, after I had a stream. I came back and I plumbed in this. If you have a look at where this highlights, you see that? You can see how far down that goes? Well, that is... it actually took me a while to get this lined up. I had to like build maybe like 10 by 10 and put 4 holes in each one and aim it at each one until I got the right one. But eventually, so that there, it's from all the way down here, down through this cave, down through here, up to this nuclear node, which I brought over here, because if I didn't bring it over there, it would be like out in the cliff face, and then up this transportation. And I brought power down here as well. So now instead of having like a stupid ass belt or train or something coming through here getting it, it just goes directly up there through the floor. And to get the power down, I actually had to go under the map. But again, that's legitimate because you can get under the map in vanilla. And then we have this output here for the uranium. The other uranium that I need is down here. And I did a very similar thing. So everyone knows about the uranium node inside this waterfall. Well, I did the same thing just here with this. I have power going down there. This is connected to the uranium node. And it just goes through the waterfall. So in here, so I don't have to have anything going in and out of the waterfall. Belts or power or anything. And we just go up through the floor like this. Still looks neat, and it's still like I don't know what you'd call it. Realistic, I guess, like in engineering perspective, because you would make a tunnel through the floor to get it up. Anyways, that's what we did with that one, and that's what we did on a grander scale with that other one. So that's that impure uranium node there. We have the normal uranium node here, which is probably where I'm going to build the nuclear facility, building the fuel rods. And there's one more node to get, which is this one down here. I think it's down here. Yep. And that's going to be pretty simple to bring in, because I'll just bring it up here and run it in between these two tracks and off into the factory. And the final node, which is this impure node over here, which will be 4 drones. Which, actually, approaching that from a distance now, I'm kind of happy with the way I'm picking up that nuclear node now. You don't really see this monstrosity from most of the view, but that is it. That is my drones picking up the nuclear. Surprised this haven't backed up yet. Actually. Yeah, we're definitely overkill with 4 drones. Definitely overkill, but it's not underkill. Always overkill more than underkill. If I put the... Oh, there is one minor issue. I need to get a power line from down here, which is going to be a little bit of a thing. It's going to be a little bit of a thing. I will... So yeah, in the absence of a more elegant solution, I think I have to just run a power line from here. Instead of running trains. So my solution will be, I think at this stage, unless I can find a way to get beams I think I just had an idea. Let me just, okay, so that's going to be that. Oh wow, does it actually let me put beams on the train track? No way. Oh, well that's just made everything super simple. That's easy peasy. So now I can run power line and a belt really easily. Only problem is, how will it look underneath the angled bits? Will it look silly? And how do I do it without making it look silly? Let's find out. If I put it like right there and then just go across, if I mouse wheel it, oh yeah. Let's go. If I go there, if I go there, interesting. If I go here. Huh. Or if I go underneath it in the center, right in the center, does it come up through the track and look stupid? Yeah, it does. Huh. What if I go right in the center, but I rotate it like that? Does that look stupid? That is the question. Kinda does. Kinda looks silly. Whoa. Doing a little bit of testing here because I'm going to do a lot of this and I want it to not look shitty. So I just want to see. The plan will be, once I get a solution to run belts in between train lines without it looking stupid. Yeah, I have to eyeball it and it's exhausting. Once I get something sorted, right? My plan will be to make a blueprint that snaps to train lines. Because I just want to check one thing here. If I do snap a beam under here, does it end up being the same height for... Well, I can't even... What? kidding me? Wait. I know that looks silly anyway, but I think I know what I want to do. Oh, it wants to snap to the side of it. That's why. I can put them on there, and it's definitely too high. Wait. One meter below it is where the... Is that right? Is 1 meter below it where the thing looks normal? Freaking bright, isn't it? Yeah, that's too high. I want it to be on the same level. So 1 meter below it is actually the level that we want to achieve. Gotta understand that the reason I'm being so finicky about this is because I'm gonna have belts running... Huh. Train can go through me if I'm already there, but anyway. I'm gonna have these belts running like all the way across these with nuclear waste. It's the only way. It's the only way I can get nuclear waste back. So this is gonna be nuclear waste coming back this way through here. And it's gonna have to run, like, I'll get rid of this sign and whatnot, but it's gonna have to run along here. And I want it to be dead level with the track. So it's time to make a blueprint. And there's two ways I can go about doing this. I'm literally just building this so I can build a blueprint machine. All shall be revealed in 1 second. Alright, experimenting in real time with this blueprint, but I have a plan in mind, and I've had a bit of success with blueprints in the past, so hopefully... We need to end up 1 tile below, 1 meter below the track is where we want our thingy to end up. So let's just get this here as a... One, two, and then 3. So that's going to be where we want to hit. Alright. Because if I put a belt through here, that's going to be exactly in line with it. So, we want to have something for a belt to connect to, and another separate one that has the power connector on it as well. And we don't want it to look shitty. So, I'm thinking beams is the way to go, but... Oh, hello. Well, that's the right height. Surely. Let's just test that it's the right height real quick. If I put that on there. Yep. So we want this to then go into my track. But we also want to be able to snap to the track without it not working, essentially. Is this the only option I have? They don't go. Those are too big. That's too big. I wonder if... Why not just using foundations? Because I want to run it... it's a good question. I would love... You know what I need to do? I need to get... I don't. I tell you why I don't want it to be foundations, because I need it to be up as well. I'll show you what I mean. We just go. We'll call this work in progress. Save that. Okay. Load this over here. Alright, so now we have that saved. I do want to have power. I'll save 2 different ones, but I want power to be able to run underneath it as well. Now, I don't have high hopes for this snapping, is the problem. But we'll try. Let's call this we'll try. I don't have high hopes for it snapping to the... It would be very nice if it did. It 100% does not snap to it. Okay, now there needs to be a way... I think... Alright, so we load... that. Then I think we need to go something like this. Ah. I just wanted to get it like exactly the same. Alright. Might be a bit of dicking around, but if that then snaps to the... Oh, you mother F. Why are you no snap? What a jerk, man. It wants to snap when I have a piece of concrete there. Nothing can snap to train tracks. Yeah, these do. These snap to train tracks. That's why I was trying to build it off them. As far as a blueprint snapping to a track, I don't know. Just having a little bit of a think here. I might be able to make it work with a little bit of messing around here. If I just go like this. I think I have an idea on how to do it. Oops. Sometimes you feel like something's not going to work and then you just try for a little bit longer and then it works and then you're just really glad that you tried it. So if I do this, this is definitely the... Wait, that's not correct. What did I mess up there? Center? Oh, that's not in the center. Bloody clown. Oops. Alright, so this is definitely the center and the highest point. So if I save this, maybe I can snap the center bit. Oh, you jerk. Won't let me do it. It's super frustrating. Because I can snap this. And I can't even snap this to that. Lame. I mean, I'm almost about to get the sads and give up. I may just have to, Or it's too long. May just have to, call it there for now and have a think about it. A couple of hours after work is enough for me, I think. Come back and give this another think and come up with a solution for it, because I can feel myself getting a bit frustrated now and I don't want to proceed until I work out exactly how to do this. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for now. Have a good afternoon. See you.